Flashcard number 3, adding more boosts to our layout and making some different types of changes. So let's go ahead and zoom out a little bit so we can see a little bit more of the area. I'm going to click on the map and I'm going to take my control key and my mouse wheel and zoom out. So now let's say these boosts are where we want them. I'm actually going to go ahead and rotate this guy around a little bit. He kind of bothers me there. Sorry about that, guys. And move him along the roadway. So let's say this is where we started, but we want to add more boosts. Maybe we want to add a tent out here. So I'm going to take and click on this booth, make sure that the blue dots are all the way around just that booth. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to change the size to 40 by 70, and I'm going to take the booth number. Instead of a number, I'm going to go ahead and say food service, and I'm going to make the angle of rotation 0 because I don't want it on an angle. Let's say I want it to go straight on. So now if I was to hit OK, sorry about that, it would change this actual booth. But if I hit new, it's going to make a copy over here. So now we have our food service booth. Let's do something else with it. Let's go ahead and make it a tent. So we're going to go ahead and go to our pod control. I'm so sorry, icon objects. Sorry about that. We've got tabletops and bleachers and rides and things to work with, but we're going to go ahead and use just a regular tent kiosk here. You can see it there. So if this booth is highlighted and I hold down the shift key on my keyboard and then just simply click the tent, there it is. It's done. And that's how you begin adding objects. Again, when we want to build up our layout, I can take this booth here. I can go ahead and close my icon list if it's in the way, and I can make another booth, let's say 203, and just hit new, and there it is. Now a lot of times when we resize booths, the auto text wants to resize the text, so at some point you might have to go through and adjust some of these. You just go and hit the customization, the 4 points, hit enter, click here. That's good. This one looks a little small. Yep, it's 3 points. Hit 4 and hit enter. Whoops, try again. And there you go. And so what you do is you just begin making copies of these different booths and either color coding them and selling them with your exhibitor data, or you start replacing with the icons. Now there's more to learn about icons, but I wanted to at least introduce you to that so you can start getting started in that section. All right, I kind of stumbled through that one, but let's see how that works.